Okay, today I'm gonna be doing a what's inside the box challenge with my brother. And since the lighting's horrible, I'm gonna hold the camera close up to. I know, don't feel that. It's gonna be like around here where my hand is. But I'm gonna go find something to. Okay, I'll be right here sitting in the chair. Yeah, don't look. Well, if I have the thing, I'm just gonna tell you close your eyes. Okay. Okay, guys, I got something. Yeah. Get under my bed. Got something here. Am I even trying trolling him about something? Tristan, close your eyes. The thing's coming. Oh. Okay, don't look. Don't peek. Okay, Tristan. You ready? Yep. It is doing. It feels so much like soft Play-Doh. Is this Play-Doh? Yes, you're correct. You get 1 point. Jaden, that was so easy. Okay, now it's time for you to find something for me. Jaden! What? What? I wonder when they come. Or if she'll ever come. Now, you're not allowed to look. I'm not looking, I'm just showing the viewers. Okay. Even though no one's gonna watch this video, period, I'm still just gonna show, like, anyone who wants, like, the one person that watches it, we can just show them. Okay, ready. You know what, I'll put the camera up. Okay, make sure it's close to the box. Yeah, you're blocking the camera right now, dude. Okay, put your hand in. It's my rocket ship. That was obvious. Oh, come on. I'm gonna do something so hard that you'll never guess it. Your turn. That's a point for you. Ugh. Oh, why am I trying to get out through that one? Okay, that's a point for you. Now it's your turn to hide. Okay, guys, we're gonna troll. I'm so happy here. This is gonna be so bad. Do it. Okay. Yes, sir. Do not look through the armholes. Forward, Louis. Forward. Go forward more. There. It's your slime. No. You have to feel it better. It's not slime. It's your slime. No, it's not slime. Oh, I'll give you his. It's Dr. Pussy. Jesus. That was the best troll ever. Jaden, oh my god. I gotta get you back for something. Are you gonna play Fortnite after this? No. Oh my god, my hands are dirty. Now I have to go wash them. You should play Fortnite like that with your hands like that. I don't want my controller to get messed up, so that's a bad idea. I see. Peyton does that voice. Frick. The best. He says I'll never guess. We'll see about that. Good ducky. Here, it's... Hey, guys. You know what it is, right? Hey, guys, you know what it is. Popcorn? Oh, come on if you didn't squish it. I didn't eat it now. I touched that with my chocolate hands. Yeah. I didn't. Let me go put this back. Okay, go. Oh my god, guys. He'll never get this. It's a wet peanut butter. Oh my god, I'm gonna choke so badly. Let's do it. Okay, Tristan. This better not be a troll. Okay, do you want me to move the item a little closer? Okay, now. No, don't. Oh my god. You put your hand into it and you'll probably find out what it is. It's water! No, it's water with something in it. You're not hot the lucky cheater. Peanut butter. Water with peanut butter. You're weird. I'm gonna get you. No, that was the last one right there. We can do another video of this. No, Jane, no. Wait, I want to get one.